Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name's Lee and I'm here to help you quickly and easily understand how to use Excel. We'll be taking a look at the wrap text function, which enables you to fit long text strings into one cell. As you can see in this example data table, the video description spills into the adjacent cells. If we include a link in the neighbouring cell, other users will only see the first words of the description. The wrap text function is the perfect solution for this. To start, simply click on the cell where you need to wrap the text, then go to the Home tab and click on the Alignment Group button for the wrap text function. The text will be immediately wrapped within the cell. However, the text may be spilt into multiple lines, making some of them not visible. To fix this, adjust the cell height and width. To adjust the cell height, position the cursor on the bottom border of the row you want to expand. Then use the left mouse button to drag and adjust its height. If you need to adjust its width, just follow the same process as we've just done. You can also align the wrap text to the left, right or centre. If you'd like to learn more about formatting text in data tables, look at our other video tutorials. If you found this video tutorial helpful, make sure to like it and watch other videos from Sheet Leveler. Subscribe to join our online community and learn to excel like a boss. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.